Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting quadratic problem in which we have to find the product of roots of the given equation. So we have 9x squared minus 18 modulus x plus 5 equals to 0. So from here we get two equations. First 9x squared minus 18 times x plus 5 equals to 0 when x is greater than equals to 0, and second 9x squared minus 18 times minus x plus 5 equals to 0 when x less than 0. So from the first case we have 9x squared minus 18x can be written as minus 15x minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. Take 3x common, so we get 3x minus 5, and from the last two terms take minus 1 common, we get 3x minus 5 equals to 0. So we get 3x minus 1 times 3x minus 5 equals to 0. So from here we get two equations, 3x minus 1 equals to 0 and 3x minus 5 equals to 0. So from the first case we get 3x equals to 1, so x equals to 1 by 3. And from the second case 3x equals to 5, so x equals to 5 by 3. Now let's solve the second case in which we have 9x squared plus 18x plus 5 equals to 0. This can be further written as 9x squared plus 15x plus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. So take 3x common, we get 3x plus 5 in the bracket, plus take 1 common from the last two terms, we get 3x plus 5 equals to 0. So this will become 3x plus 1 times 3x plus 5 equals to 0. So from here we get two equations, 3x plus 1 equals to 0 and 3x plus 5 equals to 0. So from the first case we get 3x equals to minus 1, so x equals to minus 1 by 3, and from the second case 3x equals to minus 5, so x is minus 5 by 3. Now we have to find the product of roots, which is equal to 1 by 3 times 5 by 3 times minus 1 by 3 times minus 5 by 3. So on solving this we get 25 over 81. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.